contre, pour ma première vidéo, je voulais vous interpréter Rolling in the Deep d'Adèle. Malheureusement, j'ai un peu mal à la gorge, un peu la voix cassée. Du coup, je préfère faire une autre chanson plutôt que faire une chanson ratée. Du coup, je vais faire Set Fire to the Rain, donc je reste dans Adèle. Et je préviens, je la fais a cappella. Dernière chose, comme le dit Adèle, je chante pour les oreilles, pas pour les yeux. I let fall my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and eyes over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but in my need, we found too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But as a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they will never true in the games you'd play, you would always win. But I said fair to the rain, watch it pour that touch your face. Where it burn, where I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming that your name. With you, I can stay there, close my eyes with you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they will never true in the games you'd play, you would always win. But I said fair to the rain, watch it pour that touch your face. Where it burn, where I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming that your name. I said fair to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Where it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh, sometimes I wake up by the door. That if you come and speak with things for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I said fair to the rain, watch it pour that touch your face. Where it burn, where I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming that your name. I said fair to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Where it fell something night, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Voilà, merci, si vous a plu, likez et partagez. Merci.